Hi everyone, my name is Artificial Mikhail, and here at that channel we are talking about artificial intelligence, its past, future and the present. So, as I said in our last video where we were talking about computer vision, today we're gonna speak about speech recognition definition. So, let's start briefly, shortly. As usual, we can define speech recognition as a subsection of common artificial intelligence definition, theory and technology that deals with recognition of spoken language into text by system. Or, by the way, we can make it easier and say that speech recognition is a system process of converting speech signal into digital information. That's all. I hope you was enjoyed by watching this video. In our next video, we'll speak about the reverse process, about the definition of speech synthesis. Subscribe and dare to know. See you soon.